Hi, I'm Lisa from the Reiki Healing Stone Company, and I'd like to share with you our cleansing salts. Now, if you get a stone, you need to cleanse it, and it's very important because stones and crystals hold on to energy. So if somebody negative touches a stone before you, you will be bringing a piece of negativity to your home unless it's cleansed. So if you bought a piece of jewelry somewhere and you just put it in your jewelry box and you just don't know why, you don't want to wear it, maybe cleanse it and see how you feel after. It could be holding on to negative energy. Now these are our salts that we make here. They come from, they're sea salts from around the world. They're Peruvian pink, they're Mediterranean salts, they're from the Dead Sea. They're also from the Cyprus Sea. Little pinch of sea salt from around the world in this bag to help you cleanse your stones and crystals. And this is a 2-in-1 bag. So if you turn it over, it'll tell you how to cleanse your home and office also. It's similar to saging, but sage has a very pungent smell, and I'm highly allergic to sage. So we had to come up with something to help cleanse the areas around us and our stones and crystals. So what I want you to do is I want you to get a bottle of spring water, take a little out, and then I want you to put a teaspoon of this sea salt mixture in there. Then I want you to give it a good shake. And I also want you to mark the bottle so nobody drinks it. Because put your crystal salts on it, because this will last you a very, very long time. So you have your solution in there, and I want you to, on a nice soft damp towel, you dampen the towel with the salts. Then you can go over any of your stones and crystals. This is a beautiful massage wand, chakra massage wand. And as simple as that, just go over it very gently with the damp towel, and that'll take anything that's negative on there and make it positive. All your chakra stones, if somebody touches your stones, you need to cleanse them. All of our stones that you buy from us are totally cleansed. If somebody touches it after that, you need to cleanse it. They love the full moon. You can also put your stones and crystals out by the full moon, outside or on your windowsill, and they're bathed and cleansed by the full moon. But in between, if you need to cleanse, even your geodes, just go over the stones and crystals like that, and they love it because anything negative that resides on there turns to positive, and you can feel the positive right from your hands. And that's on one side of the directions. We'll tell you all about how to do this. It's as simple as taking a teaspoon of the salts and putting them 1 teaspoon in the spring water, shaking it, and on a soft towel you're done, and everything's positive. Now on the other side of the salts, it'll tell you how to cleanse your office or your home, because that's important also. You don't want negative icky energy. I call it icky aura. You don't want any icky aura around your home or your office. And you cannot burn sage in most offices because they think you're smoking something funny. So what I want you to do is I want you to get some organza bags wherever you want. Michael's, Walmart even has some. Just clear, breathable organza bags. Put a teaspoon of the salts in there, and then with the little strings, I want you just to tie them in the corners of the rooms of your home. In each room, in each corner should get a little bag, or your office, because you don't want all that negative energy coming towards you. And then they need to be changed whenever you feel the energy off again. Say there's a big argument somewhere, you may want to change the salts in that room just to freshen the energy. So it would be a teaspoon of the salts, and if you take this off, the header, this little thing is called a header. If you take this off, it's stapled on. If you take it off nicely, you'll have a resealable bag, and whenever you need to just go in there and refresh your little organza bags. I want you to throw the old salts out and put a teaspoon of new salts. Put them around your corners of your rooms. And you can tack these up there. You just don't want animals or children to get into them. And as I said, they're beautiful sea salts from around the world. Himalayan sea salt from the Dead Sea, the Mediterranean, Peruvian. Just a beautiful mixture for your cleansing purposes. And there's no scent, so nobody can smell anything. So there should be no, it's not like sage. It's very pungent. And you can go over your jewelry just the same way. Anything, your stones, any stone or crystal that could be holding on to energy needs to be cleansed. Just as simple as that. And I hope you had a good time today. All of this information is on our website, the Reiki Healing Stone Company. And you can find our salts. They're $20 per bag plus shipping. And then you will love them. And then we'll wait for your reorder because you'll love them so much. And our chakra packs of stones are on our website. And a lot of fun things are on the website. And it's the ReikiHealingStone.com. Our phone number is 203-770-7835. And I'll look forward to hearing from you. And have a blessed day. Namaste. Thank you so much for sharing your time with us.